Sometimes we girls tend to think we had such a long and interesting conversation together, but he still hasn't invited me for another day out. Yet, he already asked me to come over to his house. You have that experience, right? Allow me to tell you why. Your first date sets the foundations for charming a man. Irrespective of where you met, wherever it's work or coffee shop or the internet, your first date always begins from messaging. Hello dear ladies and warm welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Natalia. I'm an expert in attraction. I teach the use of subtle yet elegant and seductive body language. I run my online woman academy, Secret of Allure, where I teach my students how to attract high caliber men and everything a woman should do to transform herself. Check it out now at secretofallure.com or just follow the link under my video. Here are my 5 things to avoid when messaging with a man prior to going on a date with him. Firstly, never send bikini photos. Men are like typical predators. They love to hunt you, so don't show him everything at once. Make him work for it. Toy with him like a cat and a mouse. Don't come across cheap. If he wants to see more, he needs to work hard at it because you are the queen and he really needs to know that clearly. Never discuss sexually indecent material because you will make him think only about sex. Sex and nothing but sex. And when you meet him, eventually he will perceive you as nothing more than a sex toy. And you want to avoid that because our mission is much deeper, right? We want to look at us more seriously, more than just another body. You can, for example, tease a man, use my flirting tips, and this you also must learn to do properly because a woman has to flirt with a man who she likes, but always subtle and never directly. By the way, I made a special video for you, my dear ladies, the captivating gaze of hot Victoria's Secret model and practical tips for flirting in real life. Just click the link under my video and get it absolutely for free. Or just go to www.secretofallure.com and click button free video. Never talk about negative subjects. First of all, no one enjoys negative stories and any similar topics. Secondly, he is decided to text you because he wants to have a good time, not listening to a narrative about how the world sucks, society is unfair, and blah blah blah. Thirdly, it's important to ensure he only has good memories of you after your messaging. Otherwise, when he has a free time to message you, he will subconsciously be deterred from doing so. By the way, I also had this experience in my life. I even felt I did something wrong, but I didn't know what exactly at that moment. Have you ever had this experience in your life too? If so, please leave a comment. Before we continue this video, hit the subscribe button if you are interested in elegance transformation or how to attract a dream man into your life. Every Monday and Thursday, I will be posting a brand new video packed with tips and practical advice, so don't miss out. Never complain. Girls, no one likes it. For sure, everyone have problems in their life. Guys just want to have a good time spending with you. Focus on finding something interesting topic to discuss. Hint, most men enjoy topics around sports, current affairs, money and so be ready to discuss around these topics. You will definitely impress him. Never answer instantly. Let him wait and keep him in suspense about you and your answers. Don't forget, men are hunters. They love to hunt. Keep it in your mind. But don't make him wait too long because he can also lose interest in you. No need to reply after 2 days. You understand what I mean. Be playful, but not too much. So, what you need to do is simply stay classy, and when he invites you for a date, make sure you are prepared in detail on everything about elegance, seductive walk, and posing. The way how a woman walks tells a lot about her confidence, inner self, and lifestyle. You know that, right? And all of this I teach my students at my online course, Walk and Pose Like a Diva. And if you're interested, you can find the link under the video. I definitely recommend to check it out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Natasha Chernata. I post a lot about how women can transform from an invisible simple woman to a very attractive and desirable one. Catch you at my next video, How an Elegant Woman Never Pose. See you there, girls!